In this video, I'm going to talk about how to record sequences. So we will create our own sequence by recording the actions the character takes on the screen. So I've set up a scene event. We haven't talked about scene events quite yet, but I've set one up so that I can record him going ragdoll. There's a few ways we could do this actually, but I'm going to go ahead and start out. We'll just play the scene. We're not going to record it right now. So he just falls down, like so. Just a ragdoll force of 0 on him, so he just goes ragdoll. And now I'm going to do the same thing, only I'm going to hit record. And now I'm going to hit play. Okay. And then I'll hit stop on the record, and we will hit make sequence right here. It's going to pop up this window, and I will just title it Alright, so with that, now we can go ahead and actually watch that. And here, after a little bit, he should just fall down. Oh, we got some interesting stuff as he reset there, but that's okay. Those aren't the parts of the video we're interested in anyway. So now this is when we will use the stuff from the other video, where we're going to crop it out so that we only have the part of the video that we're actually interested in, which in this case is just going to be him falling down. Go ahead and start it right there. I'm going to mark that as the beginning, and I'm going to scrub through until he is settled on the ground, right about there. And I'll mark out, then I'll hit crop, and I'm going to give this one an interesting naming convention. There we go. Alright, so now we can actually watch that video, and it's just the part of it we want. So we could use this again later in scene events without actually having to use the computing power of doing a ragdoll. So now we can actually we could record several of these just to have more than one falling down animation, because it should end up a little bit different each time. So let's go ahead and try that. We'll hit record, we'll hit play. So he fell down that time again. We'll stop. We'll create the sequence. We'll title that one too. And now let's go ahead and watch that one. So I think that turned out a little different than our other one, but let's crop it out just so we can watch it in a nice organized way. Mark in. And he settles out about there. And we'll say crop. Alright, let's go ahead and watch that one now. So there's that one. There's our other one. So we've got two different fall down animations now. And if we wanted to, we could export them into another format and maybe load them into something like Unity or another tool where we may not want to calculate the ragdoll each time the character falls. We just want to have a few that we can call anytime we want. So that covers kind of the basics of how to record. We can use a record for just about anything, but that's what we're going to use it for right now. Hope that helps.